Somewhere in the heart of the tropics, where the sun kisses the earth with golden warmth, lies one of the most magnificent mango orchards.
Look closely at this remarkable fruit. Its skin glows with a golden radiance that signals peak ripeness.
But have you ever wondered what happens after these mangoes leave the tree? How does this simple golden fruit transform into the mango?
Somewhere in the heart of the tropics, where the sun kisses the earth with golden warmth, lies one of the most magnificent mango orchards in the world.
Each tree in this orchard has been carefully nurtured for decades, producing fruit of extraordinary consistency.
The harvest begins at dawn, when the morning air is still cool and the fruit is at its firmest. Skilled workers
Fill the crates carefully. We want to avoid bruising.
Yes, boss. We'll start loading them now.
The journey from orchard to factory is a race against time. These specially equipped trucks maintain temperatures.
Here at our state-of-the-art facility, we ensure every step from delivery to processing meets the highest standards.
Fiddlers. Inside the receiving hall, an automated tilting system gently empties each crate onto the main conveyor line.
As the mangoes glide along the production line, their remarkable uniformity becomes even more apparent. Each fruit is a near-perfect copy of the next.
Every mango that enters this facility must meet strict quality criteria before it can proceed to the next stage.
This optical sorting system is the factory's first line of defense. Using 12 cameras and advanced laser sensors,
The washing chamber is where every mango receives its first deep clean. 18 precision nozzles blast filtered water.
Watch as the water dances across the mango's surface, washing away every invisible particle. The pressure is calibrated to the
The final stage of cleaning is pure steam sanitization. Superheated food-grade steam envelops every mango for precision.
What emerges from the washing system is a mango that is not only visually flawless, but microbiologically clean to the highest food safety standards.
These lorries. The mangoes now enter the peeling department, a controlled environment that rivals the cleanliness of a pharmaceutical laboratory.
Robotic precision takes over where human hands cannot compete. This 6-axis arm uses real-time service.
A grid of surgical-grade wire blades transforms each mango half into perfectly identical 3-centimeter cubes.
Beneath that golden skin lies the true treasure, pure mango flesh, bursting with natural sweetness and vibrant color. Each cube is a masterpiece of precision. Look at the cellular structure visible on these cut surfaces. Step back and witness the full scale of this operation. Dozens of cutting stations work. Every 15 minutes, samples are pulled from the production line and brought to this laboratory for rigorous testing.
Flavor enhancement is a science of microscopic precision. Natural citric acid protects against oxidation while intensifying the fruit's natural brightness.
Welcome to the grinding department, for the heart of the transformation process. 6 grinding machines.
The hopper serves as the gateway to transformation. Thousands of cubes cascade into this stainless steel funnel.
Inside the grinding chamber, transformation happens in milliseconds. 4 blade assemblies spinning at 3,000 revolutions.
What emerges from the grinder is pure liquid mango, a thick, creamy paste with the consistency.
Look into this tank and you are seeing the essence of 10,000 mangoes concentrated into a single flowing mass. The mixer rotates just 15 times per minute.
Intelligence. The paste now travels through a network of transparent pipelines, a journey that is as beautiful as it is functional.
The
The blending department houses 4 massive mixing tanks, each capable of holding over 20,000 liters of product.
Tantalare. This is where science meets flavor. 5 automated systems add precisely measured ingredients.
3 levels of impeller blades create a powerful vortex inside the tank, blending 20,000 liters of product into
4 tanks operating in parallel means this facility can blend over 80,000 liters of mango.
Through the sight glass, we can observe the mixing in real time. Watch how the layers fold into each other with silky precision. This is laminar flow.
Quality never takes a break. Every 30 minutes, fresh samples are drawn and subjected to comprehensive analysis.
Brix 24.5 FuV, perfect sweetness. Viscosity 1200 centipoise, ideal consistency.
With quality confirmed, the blended mixture flows into a massive centralized holding tank, the last stop before the...
With quality confirmed, the blended mixture flows into a massive centralized holding tank. Antirin.
This pump is the engine of the spray drying process. It pressurizes the mango mixture to over 200 bar, roughly.
At the bottom of the tower, a golden snowfall of mango powder settles gently into a growing mound.
This is the moment of transformation. Billions of microscopic mango droplets, each smaller than a human hair,